Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Performing a SIM swap on Telkom is a common task for users who lost their phone or got a new device. This process moves your existing phone number to a new SIM card. You must first purchase a new Telkom starter pack from a local store. Do not register the new SIM card yourself right away. Ensure your new SIM is RICA compliant because this is a legal requirement in South Africa. You will need your identification document and proof of residence for this step. Once you have the new SIM, you can start the swap process. If you still have access to your old SIM card, insert it into a cell phone. Send a text message to the number 081160 with the word SIM swap followed by your new SIM serial number. You can find this long number on the back of the new SIM card. You will soon receive a confirmation message on your phone. Follow the instructions in that message very carefully to finish the request. If you lost your old SIM card, you must visit a physical Telkom store. Bring your official ID and the new SIM card with you. A store agent will help you verify your identity and complete the swap. It usually takes a few hours for the swap to become fully active. Your old SIM card will stop working completely once the new one is ready. Restart your phone if the signal does not appear after a few more hours. This process is generally very simple and it keeps your original phone number active on your new cell phone.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.